Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the owl entity from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's add another circle inside each one. And let's color both of these in black. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the beak. Let's draw a V-shaped point up and back down in the center. And then let's curve it down from both ends, meeting at a point. Now on each side of the beak, let's draw a curve out and up. Then hop to the top and we're going to draw a curve up and bring it down on both sides. Now top up and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. And then from both ends, we're going to curve it down, flicking it out at the bottom and bring it in. And then let's draw a line down on both sides. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw 2 angles down. And then let's angle it down in the center, meeting at a point. Now top back out and let's draw the sides of the body with a curve down. And then a small curve back in. Then at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves in to the center. Now let's hop inside the body and let's draw the pattern. At the top, let's draw a curve in the center, and then 2 more on each side. Now on top, let's draw 1 on each side like this. Then hop down and we're going to draw 4 across. 1 underneath in the center, and 2 more at the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. And then another curve underneath. Now from the top line, we're going to bring it out. And then from the end, let's angle it in and up. And then 3 more bumps on each side to close it off. Now let's move to the ends and let's draw 2 more lines out. And then let's add some curved stripes inside. Now for the fingers, we're going to start underneath and draw a curve down and up. And then from the top line, let's draw a longer finger down and up like this. And then in the middle, let's draw another curve up for a finger behind. Now at the end of each finger, let's draw a curved V shape for the fingernails. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop back in and draw the legs. Underneath each side of the body, let's draw a curve down and bring it up at the bottom. And now let's continue that zigzag line down. Then hop to the center and let's draw a zigzag line down on both sides. And then inside each leg, let's draw a few more points. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down on both sides. And a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's bring it down and angle it out slightly. And another curve at the bottom. Now inside this bottom section, let's draw some curved stripes across. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. From the inside, let's draw a bump. And then a longer one down and up for the first toe. Then let's add another one next to it. And one more and up. And then at the end of each one, let's draw a curved V shape for the toenail. And that's it for the legs. Now in between, let's draw the tail. Underneath the body in the center, let's draw a curve across. Then let's hop down and let's draw 2 angles down and out. Then in the center, let's draw a bump. And then 2 more bumps out to the sides. Now inside, from each of the points, let's draw a line up. And let's draw another curve at the bottom of each section. And color these in black. And that's it for the body. Lastly, on top, let's draw the wings. Let's start on top of each arm and let's draw a curve up and out. And then at the end, let's draw a larger curve up and over. Now from the end, let's bring it down. And then a large curve in. And then 2 curves back down to the arm. Now top to the top, and on both sides, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then let's add a curve inside and color the ends in black. Now that we have the top part of the wings, let's move underneath and draw the feathers. At the top, let's draw a line out. And then let's bring it in with a bumpy line. Now let's hop in, and each time there's a point, let's angle it back in. And now inside each feather, let's draw another curve at the bottom. And now let's color these bottom sections in black. And that's it for the first row of feathers. Now let's add another one underneath. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw another curve out. And again, let's bring it back down and in with a bumpy line. Now inside, let's draw angles back in from each point. And again, a curve inside the bottom of each section. And then color these in black. And that's it for the owl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!